right.
Cheers, boys.
Here we go.
Woo. All right.
Woo! I like doing shots with the varsity. I'll go back with the JV over here. You guys are doing great.
Oh.
Hello and welcome to our 2021 Open Championship Experience vlog. And just a quick disclaimer, USBC regulations prohibits you from recording tournament play, so I tried to get as much footage as I could to be put in this video, and also to stay compliant and most importantly in good standing with the USBC. I will mix in some footage from our last vlog, which was in 2019, so you can see a little bit of the differences there between both years, but you can also go search for that video here on YouTube as well. Hope you all enjoy the video, and now on to our 2021 experience here in Las Vegas.
Hey, what is that?
It's a 316. It's just
Wait, are we live right now?
Yeah.
Okay, just
Or not like live. But
edit out my cigarette.
it was Joseph's Christmas gift.
I love it.
This one?
Ooh, bowling tournament.
Shake it.
Work it, work it.
Wait.
Love the camera.
That's right.
Blue steel.
On the camera.
Blue steel. Both of you guys.
Wait, oh my gosh. Woo!
We're going to try not to woo as much. That was a little obnoxious last time.
So those of you that have been to South Point Casino are well familiar with the long journey to the bowling arena from the front of the casino. And if you're not, just know that it's probably in the area of about a quarter-mile walk. And when you're carding 6 bowling balls like I was, well, it gets a little tiring towards the end. So this is probably a good time to show you the arsenal that I took with me this year. They're all Storm Roto grip equipment, and I took the lock at 1000 grit, the phase 2 at 2000 grit, the phase 3 at 1500 polished, the RST X1 at 3000 grit, the Supersonic at 4000 grit, and finally the Crux Prime at 500 grit.
Hold on. They're a little slower. They have bowling balls. They got balls.
Joseph has 2 bags of balls.
I know. You like that? Our husbands are walking their balls.
We're making it.
We don't have anything to carry. You
All
guys
right.
a lot. I've done nothing.
I'm okay. Wasn't my choice to have so many balls. You gonna do that, honey? All right.
I'm not your workout.
Come on, baby. Come on, baby. All right, ready? We got this. How do you? What's the music for it?
Well, an hour ago, I was so tipsy. And now I'm running.
Ooh, look at the championship.
Probably one of the biggest differences that we saw in the team event was the staging area. You'll see in the next clip how it was in 2019, but this year you can see that we are social distance, and you will also notice that there are quite a few less chairs. And that's because this year we only had one team to a pair, whereas in the past we had 2 teams to a pair. Another difference this year was the equipment inspection, as you can see here. This year we only had to show the USBC serial number on the ball and also show how many holes were drilled in the ball and make sure you didn't have any illegal weight holes drilled into the ball. You can see that in 2019 they actually did go through the inspection of all the bowling balls to make sure that they were USBC compliant. Alright, here we go. We're getting ready to walk out. What's our team name? Oh, Power Strokers.
That's right. Power strokers.
Power Strokers. That's us.
Is that like a sport reference for Power Stroke?
I don't know. No Texas shirts this year, though. Look at all those Texas shirts going down the lanes. All right, here we go. Hey, look at all those guys. All right, this year we're on 31 and 32. Oh, there's all the girls and they're wooing again. I think I did. Alright, they got matching shirts again. Did not get that one at all. One of the coolest things the USBC does is recognize those teams that dress in matching shirts and pants. And if your team does that, then you receive a special lapel pin called the Pride Pin. Normally the pins are given only to bowlers. However, this year, one of the officials decided to go above and beyond to recognize our wives as supporters and give them a pride pin of their own for wearing matching shirts. I asked her if she would let me do that thing and she wouldn't let it. All right. Woo!
This announcement is for everyone in the South Point Bowling Plaza. The USBC has not changed its COVID protocols in fairness to all competitors in the Open Championships. Competitors must wear a mask at all times, completely covering their nose and mouth unless actively eating or
Come on, this is
drinking.
my favorite part. For the 2021 tournament, as well as the upcoming 2022 tournament in Vegas, the USBC made the decision to move the doubles and singles portion to the bowling center, which is not really very close to the bowling plaza where the team event is held. In previous years, both events were held in the bowling plaza, as you'll see in the next clip from 2019.
That's where we bowled.
last night right there. Alright, so I just finished game one. Shot 179 with 2 opens. I got a good look, but yeah, these are moving. They're hooking over here. Not at the other place, but here they're hooking. Alright, so doubles is over. We did not do well. Started singles, every man for themselves. So here we go. I've been averaging about 180. If you can't pick up a 10, I cannot close the 10th frame. This whole tournament I've opened every 10th frame. It's ridiculous. Oh! Nice game, brother.
That would be a career high right there.
There you go. Woo! Alright, so my 2021 USBC Open Championships tournament is done. I was able to muster up a couple of good games for singles at the end. I only ended up with like a 570 something, so not my best scores, but man, I thought I bowled really well. I thought it was my best tournament ever. I just didn't score very well. So anyways, that's it. Bowling vlog is done. We're gonna go check in with Marissa. She won $800. So we're gonna go see what we're gonna do next. It's like 1:15 in the morning. We got a late start, so we're all tired.